Hi everyone, I'm Jasper Steven M. Martinez from the San Carlos branch, managed by Boss John Jaime Molican and from Team Arvin Perez. I'm here to share my best practices to meet quota on a weekly basis, more tag games, and maintain high quality tagging. With maintaining high quality tagging, first, always give specific identification on every player to easily recognize them during the game and familiarize their positions. Then, familiarity with the height of the ball, the opponent's distance, and arc to ensure the number of defenders. When I encounter an unfamiliar scene, I always ask our quality managers. After I finish my task, I always review the feedback tool to check my errors during the game to improve my quality. The best practices I always follow to tag more games in a week are: when I start my task, I always focus, prioritize my task, and eliminate distractions to ensure that I will complete my job every day. Then, set achievable goals, practice setting timeline every game, and improve it daily or weekly. I also get high priority games with specific deadlines to challenge myself in order to finish it on time. I take breaks for short period of time to rest my mind and prevent burnt out. If I have free time after work, I will try to tag at least 20 minutes of the game so that I can finish more tag games every week. One of the best practices that suits me is familiarity with the keyboard keys for tagging. Lastly, challenge yourself to do better and be better.